going to compare 3 short layered bob styles by Jon Renau. And what started it all was what I'm wearing here. This is the brand new style released by Jon Renau in 2024, Luna, in the color 12 FS8. Fell in love with it. It really reminded me a couple of other bobs that I enjoy by Jon Renau. So today we're going to do a comparison of Evan and Ignite. Evan and Luna are very much the same. However, I feel like Jon Renau has really come a long way in the cap design, in the fiber feel, in the realistic look of everything. And I just enjoy Luna so much, probably because I've always loved Evan. So if you like Evan, I think you're going to love Luna. Evan has a little more permatease in it compared to what I'm wearing here in Luna. So the Evan has a lace front and mono crown. So there's a little bit of monofilament right at the crown that you're not going to see on Luna. The other thing is the lace front is not extended on Evan. It stops right at the seam at the temple. On Luna, it extends back through the ear tab. And then I want to throw one in for perspective. This is one of Jon Renau's really popular time-tested styles called Ignite. Ignite is an inverted bob style short. Ignite has a lace front, open cap. It also is made from the heat defiant fiber. With the Ignite, you're gonna see a lot more permatease than on Luna and on Evan. The crown pieces are about the same, where you're gonna see the most differences on the side. This has an 8-inch front piece, whereas both the Evan and the Luna are right around 4.5 to 5 inches. Still gives you some fringe to play with. All 3 are beautiful, so let's cut right to the side by side of all 3. I hope you enjoy the comparison. We'll see you back here real soon at TAZSWIG Closet.